Hey, what's up my cruisers? Welcome to another video. If you haven't seen my last one, I'll put the link in the description. I went to this awesome place, Valley of the Gods. For this one though, we'll be going to Kings of Wings. Well, I tried to find it. You'll see what happened later in the video. So check it out. It's a pretty cool place. Ooh, snowing out here. So after I got done Valley of the Gods, it was around 3.5 hours or 180 miles for me to get to Kings of Wings, which is located in the heart of the Navajo Nation in New Mexico. So this area is also known as the Ah-Shi-Sle-Pah Wilderness Study Area. Sorry if I butchered that. And is located in northwestern New Mexico and is a badland area of rolling, water, carved clay hills. The area is rich in fossils and spectacular geological formations, making it perfect for hiking, landscape, and photography. Located along US Highway 550, 7.5 miles northwest of Nageezi, New Mexico, and is in between Gallup and Farmington, New Mexico. Out off the main freeway. I think this is where you get the Kings of Wings. So it's snowing out here on New Mexico, northern New Mexico. So if you come in the winter, it might be snowing. So bring a lot of cold weather gear. Make sure you keep warm. All right, see how it is. So after some driving and getting lost several times, I ended up just parking somewhere because this area is very undeveloped. There is no really developed trails, so make sure you got GPS or a compass to navigate the area. Google Maps wasn't really helping because the snow just covered the tracks of the trail that I was supposed to drive through, so I didn't really know where to go. There's no facilities, bring lots of water, cell phone reception is spotty, and in the summertime there's little shade, so make sure you stay hydrated and bring some sunblock, sun protection. And in the winter times, if you don't have 4x4 like me, I suggest not coming here at all because the roads and terrain may become very impassable in wet weather. So yeah, there's actually a hiking trail to get to the Kings of Wings. And since I was unable to locate it, I'm going to show you a picture right here how it looks like. That's how it looks like. Pretty cool. I wanted to check it out. Unfortunately, the weather caused me to get lost, so I didn't really know where to go. But I did see some cool sculptures and structures in the stone that you can see right here. So I'll share it along with you guys. Some pretty cool hoodoo formations, so check them out. So since I was unable to locate it with my drone as well, here's some more pictures of Kings of Wings. I don't know if that was it, guys, but when right before you enter the road that you're supposed to go to, there's like some smaller ones over there. Look at that. It's like smaller little statue type things over there. That looks kind of cool. So I mean, if you're in the area, I'd suggest coming over here, check it out for yourselves. But it's way too cold right now. I'm trying to get out of here, but yeah, maybe that was it, maybe not. If you know, comment down below. I have no idea. It's too cold, it snowed in here, I'm running out of gas, and I don't want to get stuck out here in the snow, so I'm heading back. But yeah, there's definitely some cool sculptures over here. Some rock sculptures. Not as nice as like big ones like Grand Canyon or Monument Valley, but they're pretty cool in their own right. So I mean, if you like this video, Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below, turn your post notifications on, and I'll see you on the next one. All right, the A's Cruiser out.